Welcome back to another Experience Widener powered by Modern Campus Involved tutorial video. In this video, we're going to talk about accessing form data. So, as always, to get started, please visit widener.presence.io, log in using your Widener credentials, and head on over to the admin dashboard. Now that you're here, let's talk about what happens now that you have a form. First things first, you're going to head over to your navigation bar, and you're going to click into the Forms area. Oftentimes, it will immediately open under Campus Forms, and these are the ones that you have access to fill out, but you really want to live under this My Forms area. So in here, you'll see all of the forms that you either have created yourself, as you can see here, or ones that you have access to, but that someone else helped you create. For the purpose of this video, I am going to scroll down to the SJA Town Hall feedback for January. When you click in, you're going to see a couple of things. The first is the amount of responses, then the amount of views, when it was created, and if it's active or inactive. Also on this page, you can see every response, what the title is, the status, and the completion time. If you have an approval process set up, all of the ones that are approved will be highlighted in green, and you can change the status to also see the ones that are denied, which are highlighted in red, and then the ones that are pending don't have any sort of color attached to them. You can also click directly to the portal link to be able to see it from the student portal side and know exactly what folks are seeing as they fill out your form. To be able to see a response in full, you can click on the response title and it will bring you into the form directly. From here, you're able to access all of the data. You can even export as either a CSV file or a PDF. You can also edit any responses. So if there is someone who reaches out and says that they were having trouble submitting something or they want to make a change, you have the ability to go in and edit on their behalf. On this main page, you have an export all option. So you can export them all as either an Excel or a CSV file to be able to download and see everything at once. And then you also have this summary area. This summary tool is really, really great to be able to see all of the responses at once. So if it is something that can be shown in a chart, the system will automatically give you a chart. So we can see here, out of everyone who submitted for this form in particular, the SJA feedback, 32 or 88.9% of them are SJA representatives. We can also see the organizations that they were representing at a quick glance. And then any of the open-ended questions are going to show up down here with all of the responses available. So you can truly see everything that you need just by clicking into the summary area. As always, if there is a pencil emoji in the top right-hand corner, it also means that you can edit your form. So let's say your form is out and someone is having an issue with it and you need to go in and make a change. Just click on the pencil and it will bring you directly to that original form so that you can edit it and make all the changes that you need. The other thing that you can do is if you only want to download a couple of responses, you have the ability to do that by clicking on the Select Responses tool. And then you can also see if there were any drafts saved for your form, so you will always know what is going on with it. Back on the main Forms tab, you also have this Responses area, and so this is going to show you anything that is in your inbox or anything that you might need to approve, but it's also going to show you the outbox. So if you watched a previous video talking about how to edit a form that you've submitted, you do have the ability to do this on the back end as well. So if anyone is interested, you just come in here, click on the form that you want to make an edit to, go over, click edit, and then you're able to resubmit it through the approval process. So that's a quick overview of how you can access your form data once you've created a form. As always, if you have any questions or need additional support, please feel free to stop by the Office of Student Engagement. We are located on the lower level of the University Center across from the Esports Lounge. Our office assistants and professional staff members are here to help with anything that you may need.